back. So today I have this special new product by LIMINK Earwax removable camera. This one's the 1080p wireless earwax remover with the 6 LED lights. New version, Wi-Fi ear cleaning inspection scope with 2 ear spoons. Otoscope for adults, kids, and it is compatible with the Android, iPhone, or iPads, or any other tablets. So with this functional cleaning pen, it allows you to take a photo, take a video, view switch, ear fitting temperature. So with this high resolution 1080p high definition camera, it gives you clarity. So the tip is very soft and cozy. Wi-Fi connect to your smartphone or your iPads or your tablets. So you need to download the app and then choose a model and then select a suitable mode and start using it. Anyway, I'd like to give a shout out to Josh from their marketing team for sending me this. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description so you can check it out. And when you check out, make sure you click on the coupon box before you check out so you get more discount. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And here's the product description right here. So yeah, it's pretty small. And it is made in China. The model is T5. So here's the QR code that you need to scan to download the app. Wow. You come with a tool set for you remove your earwax. Got a keychain loop. So this one is the USB Type A to USB charging cable. And it comes with the 3 of these tips. So it's pretty soft. So you press this down, hold it for like for a while before you get the LED. I'm not sure it's charged or not. So probably it's not charged. Oh, there you go. Then you touch this over there. Okay, so I'm charging the unit. I'm gonna download the app first by scanning and just click on the link. So there's one for iOS and one for Android that's in China, and then Android Google. You need to click on this one for the USA. And it says BK Wi-Fi. Click install and click on open. Allow. So here's the app. We need to sync it. So this icon is to take a picture, take a video, to flip it in a different view. And it shows left and right. You can flip left or ear or right ear. Okay, so I charge a little bit. So make sure you press and hold it down until the LED lights stays on. Let go of the button. Okay, make sure it stays on. And then on your smartphone, you want to go to setting. And then go to your Wi-Fi. So this one is the T5-A Apple 3 D5. Okay, now you're gonna go back to the app, but you gotta make sure you connect only this time or always connected only this time. So that means connecting to this device only, your Wi-Fi will be disconnected, and you want to go back to the app. And then there you go. Wow. Let me test out my ear. Oh, there you go. You see my ear. If I could point at the right direction. Wow. There you go. Whoa. So you can pick your earwax to get it out or whatever, so nice. That's my hair or what? And this is how you attach the tip. Okay, just like that. And then here's the view. Interesting. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell for notification or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.